Federal Electronics customers come from diverse industries, but share a common thread: the need for an electronics manufacturing partner with experience solving difficult problems. These problems come in many forms, including volatile product demand, stringent quality requirements, and insufficient documentation. We're a solutions company with many tools in our toolbox designed to meet these challenges. We do what others can't or won't: specialize in lower volume, higher complexity electronics manufacturing. We have decades of experience completing hundreds of projects encompassing thousands of individual assembly parts. We're the experts in higher-level assembly, printed circuit board assembly, and cable or wire harness assembly for industrial, medical, and defense manufacturers. Our flexible supply chain accommodates rapidly changing product demand requirements. A daily MRP captures immediate changes in your demand signals, scaling the raw material pipeline in either direction. Using a hybrid manufacturing model that leverages our Mexico facility for labor-intensive assemblies and our U.S. facility for final integration and testing, we deliver cost-effective performance without sacrificing quality. Customers trust that our assemblies will work the first time, every time. We're simplifying complexity one solution at a time. Get in touch to solve your most difficult outsourcing challenges.